The dial attaches to the controller and allows you to adjust the tool's speed. There are a couple common problems that can cause the dial to be replaced. The detents on the dial can be worn down from rubbing against the rivet. This can cause the dial to no longer lock at a specific speed. If the dial is over-adjusted at either end of its travel, the hole where it attaches to the controller can wear out, causing it to spin without adjusting the controller. Replacing the dial is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing half of the rear handle housing. With the cover removed, now I have access to the dial. I'll remove it from the controller. Now install the new dial. One side of the dial has detents. The other side is flat. The side with the detents should go down against the rivet and spring. Also notice that the hole in the dial is a D shape, and this is to index it to the controller. So I'll make sure I have it properly aligned. And I'll finish by reinstalling the housing. And that's all it takes to install a new dial in your polisher. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.